Hello. Hi. This is D Nice and my wonderful little birdie Abba. Look at the camera, Abba. And we're sitting down this Sunday morning to have a little time together, right? And we're gonna have some hummus. You like hummus, Abba? So I've made this wonderful plate of hummus. I've toasted up my pita bread. Here's my hummus right here. And I'm going to have some, and Abba's going to have some. So Abba's going to take her, I'm going to dip her bread for her because she doesn't have fingers. Right, Abba? And then I'm going to hand it to her. She likes hummus, right? Here, Abba. Here. Take it. There you go. Yeah, she's got the pita bread. I've got the pita bread. Because I'm not as messy as you are, Abba. Anyway, have a blessed morning. Take time out to enjoy the day. So good? Yeah? I'm glad you like my hummus. Yeah. Can you wipe your mouth? Huh? Can you wipe your mouth? You got some on your beak there. She doesn't care. Anyway, have a blessed morning. This is Abba, the Parrot, and D Nice.